I know someone gave up their office space for the projector to put the lights up, and it's well worth it. I really like it.
I think it's really great and it's worth it. It's really pretty and how you decorated it.
Hello, my name is Gail. We just moved here from Hickory, North Carolina last year, and this is just absolutely amazing. We have enjoyed the hospitality here and just the beautiful downtown. The Christmas is just so awesome to see, and all the people here are so friendly. It just amazes us to see so many people out on the streets, and we didn't have that last year, and it's so sad. We came 2 years ago and was able to do the Christmas classic, and our grandchildren did the ice skating, and that was so much fun. They enjoyed that so much. But my husband and I have enjoyed so much just coming in town and having lunch at different places, and as I said, it's just such a homey, wonderful feeling that you get just being here, just to be able to experience. And people are to come out more. That hasn't come out, they need to come out and be able to enjoy this, and being able to help our small businesses, local businesses. That's so important. So Merry Christmas to everybody.
This is Melissa from Mooresville NC News. We're coming to you to ask you to support us by liking us and sharing us on your following local social media channels.